Hello guys, my name is Ayu Wibisono Tansil. My student number is 2213042060, and now I'm gonna talk about economy of Indonesia, technology, and health in the future. First, I'm gonna talk about economic for Indonesia in the future. In these situations, Indonesia still able to maintain a relatively strong economic performance. As you know, the pandemic COVID-19 bring many problems to economic growth for all of country. According to data from Central Statistic Agency or BPS, Indonesia is the country of South Asia's largest economy from recession caused by COVID-19. But in the International Monetary Fund projects that Indonesia will record economic growth mostly around the 5% level between 2022 and 2027. This situation follows the economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. The IMF maintained Indonesia economic growth projection of 2023 at 6% despite geopolitical risk from Russian-Ukraine war. However, its growth is expected to slow down from 2024 to 2027. But in other opinion, Bright Institute economist Awalil Rizki estimate that Indonesia economy will only truly recover in 2027. According to him, Indonesia economic growth has indeed returned to above 5% as before the pandemic. However, that is because growth based during the pandemic is very small, so it cannot be a benchmark. Today, Indonesia economy is said to be highly vulnerable to global shocks. If there is a slight policy error, the economy can immediately plummet. For next year, he even projects that economic growth will be below 5%. This is because the driving component of the economic is not sustainable, as it currently due to very positive export performance due to rising commodity prices. But I think the economic of Indonesia, it depends on the election of presidential candidates in 2024, whether they will make Indonesia economic more advanced by continue good economic program under President Jokowi and remove the bad program, and making economic program innovations that make Indonesia economic growth even better, or they just will make Indonesia economic growth be worse. Okay, the next topics. The next topic is technology. In the future, of course, artificial intelligence will develop deeper. AI will continue to evolve, leading to more sophisticated application in various fields such as healthcare, education, and finance. We can expect AI to play a crucial role to automating tasks, making decisions, and enhancing overall efficiency. In our situation now, AI very helpful. Is very helpful. For example, ChatGPT, we can give instruction to find the information, ask to give a suggestion or tips. For example, we want to start our business, we can ask ChatGPT to give a solution, give a suggestion and tips to start the business. But I think in the future AI is not just like that. I think in the future AI will expand, for example, in editing photo or video. As you know, if you want to editing photo or video, we have to be expert in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere. And as you know, this application is difficult to be learned. But I think in the future we can just give the instruction to AI to edit our photo and video. And I think in the future we don't need to be expert to editing photo or video. And the second is increased integration of augmented reality or AR and virtual reality or VR. AR and VR technology will become more integrated into daily life, influencing industries like gaming, education, and remote collaboration. As hardware improves and become more accessible, we might see a shift towards a more immersive and interconnected digital experience. Yes, I think in the future, VR not only for entertainment, but VR can expand to industries like education. So in the future, the students don't need to come to school, and they can learn from virtual reality. And I think the development of virtual reality will make the students can feel experience like he is in the school. I think that's all from technology. Okay, the last topic is health. Of course, the technology will develop in the future. So, in the healthcare aspects, will get the effect from that. I think in the future, advancement in personal medicine, future healthcare likely is to see significant improvements in personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual genetic makeup and lifestyle factors. This could lead to more effective and targeted interventions, potentially improving overall health outcomes for many. Yes, I think in the future we don't need to go to hospital to check our health, but in the future maybe we have some technology to check our body from home, so we don't need to go to hospital to check our body. Okay, the second is increase mental health awareness and support. There's a growing awareness of mental health issues, and this trend is expected to continue. The future may bring increased efforts to reduce stigma, better access to mental health resources, and more integrated approach to addressing both physical and mental well-being. As you know, mental health is important issues for current situation, because many people got stressed. They got a burnout in their office, their schools, and maybe in their family. And many people end his life and their life because got a burnout. So I think mental health awareness is important things in the future, because we have to anticipate people and his life because their mental health.